Yo, what's going on, everyone? My name is Max. Welcome to the channel. I just want to make this video trying to help all of you watching this on how to make some extra income in 2019. Gonna be one of the greatest years in e-commerce because every year people are just shopping more and more online. Um, and like if you're getting into the e-commerce scene right now in 2019 January, as I'm recording this video, you're in the right market. Now, how do you make results like this right now? That's today's results. I'm about to scale. It's not showing. It's not blurry. It's a little bit blurry, but it's around 4.5K. It's only like what 5 p.m. here in Eastern Standard Time. So we still have like half the day left, and we're already at 4.5, and I'm just about to scale this to 10, 20, 30K a day. And stats for like we're only 5 days in, 17K. Like it's just crazy like how this whole progression of e-commerce has been. And I just wanted to make this video just to help you guys looking for how to get these type of results. I want to go over particularly five things that I think that all of you starting out in e-commerce need to focus on in 2019 in order to get 5K, 10K, 20K a day results, and continue that. Number one is understand that e-commerce is a growing market. So if you cannot make sales, it's not the market's fault. It's your fault. You got to figure out a way to sell to people in a market that people are willing to buy in. However, there's many competitors, so you basically have to outmarket everyone around you that's marketing that same particular product that you're trying to sell. So that's one thing, is that there is opportunity basically in this market for you to make a lot of money, as evident, with the sales that I have today. You can make money. It's just a matter of, can you outmarket your competitors on the same market? And I'm talking about drop shipping. Private labeling and all that is a little bit different. We can make different videos on that. But in drop shipping particularly, this is a drop shipping store that I have. It's one of my stores. That's just, it's taken off now. And it took around 2 to 3 months to build that solid data. But now that I have that, it's just, scaling using lookalikes and whatnot. And I don't want to go straight into advanced topics just yet, but yeah, once you have it down, it's just a matter of taking it to the next level. So number one, there's opportunity in this market. Number two is not only do you have to outsmart or not outsmart, but outmarket your competitors, you have to also understand the products that you're selling have to be products that people want. Now, how do you find products that people want? A lot of people, when they get into dropshipping, they start selling products, that they want to, like, they're trying to sell to themselves. And it's like, are you trying to buy your own, product that you're trying to sell? Or are you trying to sell the product that you're putting on your store to other people and make money? You need to understand that concept is products that people want is what you need to market. Your job as a drop shipper is to basically be a marketer of products that people want. You're basically connecting a product that someone is looking for to the buyer. That's all you're doing. You're the middleman. You're the bridge. And yeah, that's basically the business model of drop shipping, which is why it's very easy to get into. So that's two. Number three, I'm just doing this on top of my head, to be honest. I had no script for any of this, but I do hope you guys are finding value in this. If you are, hit a comment below if you're finding value in this video and you're still watching, and hit that like button because I just know that, this is the type of content that people want to see, and I can go more in depth into these type of concepts in my later videos. So that's number 2. Number 3, so you figure out the opportunity, you figure out the products that people want to sell or want to buy and sell those. And number 3 is basically creating funnels, creating your funnel in your store is basically what sells the product. So let's say you have a great product. People want it. I don't know, let's put an example. Let's say this ring right here. Got this. Oh. Got this gold ring. Got this off Amazon. But let's say you want to market this product. Okay, there's many people in the market that are trying to sell this exact same product. How do you make this product more desirable in your store compared to your competitor? That's the job of a Shopify dropshipper. So a funnel is basically what you put your customer through in order to buy this product. It's where you describe the features, the specifications, what makes this product great, why they should buy this. If you have scarcity, you only have like 2 left, let's say, like every e-commerce store that has that now. Are people even buying this? Is there reviews? Do you accurately describe what this product is and what type of feeling? Because marketing is really about selling, or being influensive in marketing is all about selling emotion to people. So if you can make people feel like when they wear this ring, they're going to feel so much better because of, the luxury type of feeling that you get when you wear this gold ring. Like, boom, like I feel all, amazing. If you can sell that in a funnel, let me tell you, you will make a lot of money compared to your competitors when you can outsmart them on the funnel that you have. Even though it's the same product, even though it's the same pictures that you probably have, you're outsmarting them with the sales funnel that you have, that you bring your customers through, which is particularly what customers use and look at before they make that purchase decision. So making sure your funnel is 100%, I would say 110% on par, and just better in every way than your competitors, you're on a sure way to get a lot of sales on the product that you're trying to market, that is supposedly a winner that you're trying to sell, and you're showing it. Okay, well, that's one thing. So that's number 3. Number 4, this is big. It's showing the right product to the right customer. Not everybody is in the market to buy this gold ring. You need to advertise your products to the right people that are actually looking for this particular gold ring. Okay, and how do we do that in 2019? Now, there's many different marketing platforms out there. 2 of the biggest that I would, emphasize on: Facebook, Instagram. Facebook ads, Instagram influencers. These are 2 of the biggest opportunities right now for you to market. Instagram is dirt cheap right now, like dirt cheap. Influencers are right now, like, we're lucky to be in the era that we're in right now, where it's still early, and it hasn't really become scaled to what Facebook is right now in terms of ads. So the costs are very low. You can still there's this decentralized way of getting to the influencers that you're trying to get to market your product, just by sending them a DM. The power of the DM is very, very powerful. So just sending a message, and I think I made a video on this channel. You can go check that out, on how to contact influencers. And yeah, that's one thing. And then number 2 is Facebook ads. Facebook ads is literally like you understand how to do Facebook ads in 2019, you know how to make money, period. Like, even if dropshipping doesn't work out for you, you know how to run paid advertising for yourself and other businesses. So you can go build a social media marketing agency, particularly on paid traffic, and offer, Facebook ads as a service, and you will make money. It is a high income skill in the grand scheme of things in 2019, and definitely in this marketing world and internet world. Facebook ads, I would definitely take some courses learning Facebook ads. I will be dropping a course in a very, very soon time. I know I have a small little group on Facebook. You guys can go join it. It's called Elite Shopify Mastermind. You guys can go join. I'm trying to build a large group of like-minded individuals who want to take their life to the next level, take their business to the next level, and learn as much as they can about this source of income. People need that money. So yeah, basically understanding Facebook ads, I would say in 2019, you understand that you should be able to make money this year. And number five, the most, well, actually, all of them are actually important. I wouldn't say the most important, but they're all important. But number five, to bring it all together, you find the opportunity of the market, of e-commerce. You find out if the product is even wanted and desired by people. And you're not selling products that you want to buy. You're selling products that other people want. Number three, you're having the right sales funnel. The right sales funnel, when customers go through your store, they understand that your product, your store is the best one out of all the competitors. Literally, my winner product right now is like, it's one product that many, many stores are using, and I was able to market it better because my sales funnel was just much better, and my advertising, it just looked way more professional than theirs. Even though we used like particularly the same video, I just added a bunch of text on it, and there you go. I have my own branded video. So it's pretty crazy how that works. And number four is targeting, using the right platforms, Facebook ads, Instagram influencers. And number five is actually putting in them all together and just taking action on all of these day in, day out, all throughout 2019. And if you do that, you're bound to make money this year. And, I only hope success hits every single one of you guys watching this video, because, about a year and a half ago, I dropped out of business school, didn't know what I was doing. Now I'm here making, we're going to touch six figures this month alone, in 2019. So it's crazy what can happen to your life if you actually put in the work, cut away the distractions and just focus on, making your life better than what it is today or yesterday. So hopefully you guys took some value from this. If you guys did, hit that subscribe button, join the family. I am dropping a bunch of more content this year. And I hope to change lives and help as many people as I can. Every single one of you guys watching this video, I want to make you guys, better than, what I was a year ago, and learning the right way instead of taking, 5-figure expenses to learn this game. So hope you guys found some value. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment below what you guys want to watch the next video, and what tip did you guys find the most value in this video. Hit that comment below, and join the Facebook group if you guys have. And I also want to put in that I am opening up some spots for mentoring if anybody wants to get some private coaching one-on-one. If you guys want me to set up a store for you, help you guys out throughout the journey, or even just teach you guys Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, how to work with them, Shoot me a DM on Instagram. It's MaxEasyUS, MaxEasus. It's my Instagram is down in the description box below. Yeah, I look forward to working with you guys. Just send me a DM. Hopefully you guys have a budget of 1 to 5K. That's, you know, where I'm working with right now. So if you guys are interested in that, DM me and we can talk more. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.